everyone. Today we are going to start with the graphs, level curves, contour lines. Right? So first we have to draw the graph, level curves and contour lines of a function of several variables. So we are going to start with a function of two variables, right? So first one is, what do you mean by sorry? First one is there are two standard ways to draw the graph of f of xy. F of xy. A, that is draw and label curves in the domain on which f has constant value. And the second one is sketch z equal to f of xy. Right? So next is the level curve. So these are the two ways to draw z equal to a function of two variable. To draw function of two variable, z equal to f of xy you can draw because you have studied in fourth semester three dimension height, how to draw a three-dimensional picture. And next is put values of f of xy and z is equal to some constant in this. So you can picture again that, right? So mainly we are choosing this type of graph sketch z equal to f of xy. I have studied in fourth semester. Okay. So next we are going to deal with the definition of level curve. What do you mean by a level curve? Right? So basically definition is the set of points in the plane, where the function f of xy has a constant value, f of xy equal to c is called level curve of f, right? That is set of all points in the plane where the function f of xy has constant value f of xy equal to c is called the level curve of f, right? So next is the graph of f. Graph of f. Definition for graph of f. This is in two dimension actually, and this graph of in three dimension. So you have to note carefully that. So the set of all points xy, f of xy, set of all points xy, f of xy is called xy is in a domain. This is called the graph of f. This xy belongs to the domain and f of xy is in the range, right? So xy, f of xy, this together we call it as the set of all points like this is called the graph of f. The graph of f is also called as the surface z equal to f of xy. The surface z equal to f of xy. Graph of f is also called as the surface z equal to f of xy. Okay. And what do you mean by contour line? Contour line. Contour line. The curve in space in which consider z is equal to c, right? And consider the surface z is equal to f of xy, right? So intersection of this one means z equal to c is a plane and z equal to f of xy is a surface. So when the curve in space in which z equal to c intersection means z equal to c cuts the surface z equal to f of xy, right? So that intersection points is known as the contour line, right? So the contour line means the curve in space that is in three dimension, the curve in space, the curve in space in which z equal to c cuts the surface z equal to f of xy, z equal to f of xy is known as the curve in space in which z equal to c cuts the surface z equal to f of xy is known as the contour line, right? So you can easily understand this by with an example, with the help of an example. So I am going to explain this in detail with an example. So the question, graph f of xy equal to 100 minus x square minus y square and plot the level curves f of xy equal to 0, f of xy equal to 51 and f of xy equal to 75 in the domain of f in the plane. This is question, right? So if you answering this one, then you can understand very well what will be the level curve, graph, and the contour line, right? So okay, we can solve this in the next video.